Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new then welcome. Today I'm gonna be doing a Diwali look using a lot of Huda beauty products. I thought it would be nice to do a one brand product, and I've got a few new things that I wanted to play with, so it's gonna be quite exciting. So firstly, we're just gonna prime our face with the Too Faced Hangover Primer. This is a dewy primer. Next, I'm gonna go in with the Tatcha Silk Canvas Primer on my pores. You can actually do this look for any event or occasion. It's not specific, but I'm doing it for Diwali today. And I'm using the Beck Anti-Fatigue Under Eye Primer for my under eye. This has like a cooling effect. Now I'm gonna go in with the Huda Beauty foundation. This is in the shade Toasted Coconut. It's the full filter high coverage foundation. I'm just gonna take a pump first. I don't want like really heavy coverage. Just blend it all out, starting from the center of my face, blending outwards. And make sure you really get into the hairline because you don't want like a line of foundation. I do not have a concealer, so I'm just gonna go in with the Too Faced Multi Sculpting Concealer. Now we're gonna go in with the Huda Beauty Easy Bake Powder in Pound Cake, and I'm gonna be using her Face Bake and Blend brush. So this side is to put the powder under your eyes. So this side is to bake. I don't like too much powder. I feel it dries out my eyes, as my under eyes are a little dry as is. But I do use a bit just to set everything in. And with the other side, I like to take the powder and just brush it into the rest of my face, just to set the foundation in, as the weather here is really hot, and I think it's always better to set in your foundation. Now I'm gonna go in with the Huda Beauty Tantour. Actually, I just realized I should have done that before setting my face, but let's see how it goes. This is a new product. This is in the shade Fair. This is how it looks. So I'm gonna go in with the Tantour, and I'm gonna just lightly stipple it first because I don't know the consistency or the pigmentation, which is quite a lot because I barely touched the product. I'm going right above my jawline to like give my face that lift. It is like a super soft cream. I can barely feel it. I just want to define my jawline. So this is how the product looks. I barely touched in to the product, and it gave really good pigmentation, and it blended in really well. I'm just gonna go in with the Huda Beauty 3D highlighter palette now and just highlight my cheekbones and add a little bit of color. I'm also gonna go in with the shade Capri and just add that little shine. And then I'm gonna go in with the shade Azores. I went ahead and I did my brows, and I'm just gonna add the shade Ibiza from the same palette on my cheeks. This is like a blush shade but with like a lot of highlight, but I'm actually going for that glowy look today, so I think it'll be nice. So here's the blush shade. As you can see, it's a little bit of highlight and a little bit of color, so it looks really nice and it gives a really like nice fresh feel. Now we're gonna go pop into the eyes. I forgot to bring my eye primer, so we're just gonna do it without a primer, and let's see how it works. So I'm super excited to use the new the Nude Medium palette from Huda Beauty. This is the new mini palettes that she's come out with, and first I'm gonna go in with this top shade here, just on my crease. Then I'm gonna go in with the shade on the top left here, on my outer corner, and slightly in the crease as well. I want to now go in with this little pinky shade here, and I want to add that in the crease as well. And then I'm going to go in with this darker shade, the darker purple, and add it on my outer corner as well. And I want to add this slightly on the inner side of my eyes as well, leaving that inner corner part. And then I want to go in with like a clean blending brush and just blend out the harsh edges. This is like a really important step if you want that like seamless look. It just really helps blend everything in together, especially around the crease area. I want to now use the Huda Beauty Fender blender, and I want to try how this works with the more shiny shades. So I really want to go in with the center shade here. So I'm gonna take like the sponge side, and usually I just use my fingers, but I just wanted to try this out, and like it's easier if it works. It's easier to get into like the corners and stuff rather than your fingers. I'm loving the shade. And then I'm gonna use the other side as well just to see how it works. I want to go in with the shade on top, this shiny shade, and just add it in the center. I mean, because this is a little hard, I'm really like scared to poke it into the eyeshadow, but it is picking up well, and I'm just literally placing it right in the center, and it's like a really nice effect. For my under eye, I'm gonna go in with the shade right here. I do not have like an eyebrow highlighter shade, so I'm just gonna go in with the face palette and use the highlighter for my brow bone. And I'm gonna use that palette and use the shade Azores for my inner corner as well. I'm just gonna go and pop a black liquid liner. This is the one that I'm using, is from Kat Von D, and mascara, and I'll be right back. So I'm back after my liner and lash. I just wanted to quickly talk about the Huda Beauty eyelashes. I really love these lashes. Today I'm just not gonna be wearing them because I feel I'll look overdressed, but I do love wearing these for the for bigger occasions and stuff. This is how it looks. They're very easy to apply. The band length is usually perfect for my eye shape and eyes. These are the Jacqueline lashes. She has a big range, so I really recommend the lashes as well, so I thought I'll show that to you. And now for the lips, well, I have a few options, so I'm just gonna see. I really want to try this bullet lipstick out. I have not tried any of her bullet lipsticks out. This is from her 90s throwback collection, and it's in the shade Board Meeting. It's a really nice like nudie color, and I've got quite a lot going on my eyes, so I think it might look good. So this is how it looks. Let's try it on. If not, then I'm gonna go in with her matte lipstick and a lip strobe. I'm just gonna go in with her lip liner in the shade Gossip Girl, just to give that a little pink feel to it. And then I'm gonna go in with the shade Board Meeting. The shape of her bullet really makes it easy to do the line. This is the shade Board Meeting, and it is really creamy. I really didn't need that lip liner, but I don't know how I feel. I think I'm just gonna add one of her lip strobes. This is in the shade Ritzy on top. I think the color is really nice, but I really like the formula. I did not expect to like it this much. I have not bought any of her bullet lipsticks thinking like, oh, it's just another matte lipstick, but the formulation is really moisturizing and not drying at all. I think this would be really nice for people who have dry lips but still want to wear a matte lipstick. I've really enjoyed doing this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed as much. If you did, please do like, subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and you can follow me on Facebook and Instagram at Makeup Diaries by Sukrita. Till next time. Mwah.